So today I'm gonna show you how to make this epic animate thumbnail. And let's start.
Happy Halloween. You feel me?
First, search your pictures and overlays, and of course the anime that you'll be editing. Next, on Photoshop and create a blank document. Press C on your keyboard and that will enable the crop. Make sure that it's 1920 and 1080 size. Click check or press enter on your keyboard. Add your image and overlays by dragging that to this space here. You can resize the image or just click the check to confirm. Now invisible all those overlays, leaving the main image. Press W on your keyboard or select this to enable the quick selection. Select the part of the image to remain. Refine the edges, and to zoom in, press Ctrl plus on your keyboard and Ctrl negative to zoom out. If you selected the wrong part, press Alt to erase that. When that's done, click Select and Mask, or right-click and select and mask. Adjust the smoothness as you desire and click OK. Right-click and select Layer via Copy. That will be separated and we're keeping both of this. Next, visible your overlays one by one and change that to screen. To adjust the size, press Ctrl T. Move the main image on top of the overlay. If your overlay is colored and you want to change the color, press Ctrl U to show the whole in saturation. And this changes only to the image that you selected. Do the same process. The more the overlay, the uglier it will be.
Yeah, boy.
Just kidding. Find great overlays to add.
Granny, please don't talk to my mom.
I'ma continue talking to your mom.
Short term Mercedes, cash on her haze. Walk in the scene and they all come to praise. Bad little hoe, but she looking too shady. Wanna fuck on that bitch, but her man's too crazy. Bitch, my mind's grimy. Walk in the club, flexing more than you see me. Ain't go with you if you ain't fucking with me. Just bought a new whip and picking the witty.
Add some money cause I'm broke. And some dice cause Psyche is... okay. Press T or select this to let's make text. Add that to his eye or wherever you want. Adjust the color to match the whole thing.
Next caller! Next caller!
Next, go to adjustments. If that's not there, go to window and find the adjustments and select the curves. Follow the graph or make your own adjustments.
Oh my god! Wow!
When that's done, to save as JPEG, go to File and select Save As, or press Ctrl S. Change that to JPEG and save. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy!
White, old, black, bitch, you better get a slit wrist.